Hello and welcome to i-nastava. This is an English lesson for the 4th grade of high school. My name is Ivana Štiglec and our topic today is effective presentations. In our today's lesson, you will analyze a video and you will design your own Pecha Kucha presentation on the topic of your choice and then present it. You will need your notebook, something to write with, and make sure to have internet access all the time. You can pause this video lesson anytime. So let's start. A presentation is a public speech that has a certain purpose and targets specific groups of people known as audience. The presenter or the speaker has to consider a lot of elements in planning and structuring a presentation to ensure effectiveness of delivering the message to the target audience. I would like you now to pause this video and think about do's and don'ts of good effective presentations. Make some notes in your notebook. Here are some of my suggestions. Try to add them to your chart. What are some of the good things to do, and what are some of the things that we shouldn't do when preparing and delivering a presentation? So let's check. We should definitely try to tell a story with our presentation, keep it as simple as possible, use visuals, and try to engage our audience. We shouldn't overload our presentation with information, be motionless and inactive during the presentation, convey many ideas per slide, and we shouldn't read from the slides. Today you are going to learn how to create a Pecha Kucha presentation. It sounds strange, right? Pecha Kucha is a presentation format that was invented by two Japanese architects in 2003. It means chit-chat in Japanese. Since then, millions of people have attended Pecha Kucha events worldwide. It is the ideal tool to share your passions and knowledge. People have been using it worldwide to create powerful, visually compelling stories that move audiences in less than 7 minutes. Pecha Kucha presentations are used both by schools and companies to creatively and effectively engage students and employees on a range of subject matters. This name is pronounced in different ways. In the Cambridge Advanced Learners Dictionary, you will find this pronunciation, Pecha Kucha. In the video that you are going to watch, they pronounce it differently, Pechacha. So let's watch the video. I would like you to pause this video lesson and type the link into your browser, bit.ly Pecha Watch, or you can scan the QR code to access the video. While watching, your task is to answer this question: which topics are mentioned in the video? So pause the video lesson and watch the video about Pecha Kucha presentations. Okay, and these are the answers. Presentation format. He talks about advantages and disadvantages of Pecha Kucha presentations, about steps in creating a Pecha Kucha presentation, and he also talks about success of Pecha Kucha presentations. I would like you to watch this video once again and try to answer the following questions. What are the characteristics of effective presentations? What is the most common problem when people deliver presentations? What is the format of Pecha Kucha presentations? What is the focus of Pecha Kucha presentations? What are the advantages and disadvantages of Pecha Kucha presentations? And what are the main steps when creating a Pecha Kucha presentation? Okay, let's check the answers. Number 1. Effective presentations are clear, engaging, and convincing. They can also make the audience enthusiastic about a certain topic. Number 2, the most common problem when people deliver presentations is the fact that they run over time and overload their slides with text and data. Number 3, Pecha presentations consist of 20 slides or 20 images. Each 20 seconds, slides move automatically and no or very little text is used. Number 4, the focus of Pecha presentations is on images, drawings, or icons. Our next question was about advantages and disadvantages of Pecha presentations. So the advantages are the following. They are short and dynamic. They are visual and more attractive for the audience. Presenters practice them a lot, so they are well prepared when delivering the presentation. Some of the disadvantages are they are short and it's not easy to tell your story in 6 minutes and 40 seconds. It is hard to find good, appropriate images. And it takes a lot of time to practice them. Our last question was about the main steps in creating Pecha presentations. So, your first step should be to think of the message or the story you would like to tell. The second step, you should divide your story in 20 parts. And the last step is to look for images for each part. Now I would like you to pause this video lesson once again and type this link into your browser to access another video. You can also scan the QR code. In this video, you will see another example of an effective Pecha presentation. While watching, you should take notes about structure, content, slides, the visual content, engaging the audience, body language, and voice. So watch carefully. Using your notes and the questions that I will show you, you should analyze the video. If necessary, you can watch the video once again. Here are the questions. Did you like the presentation? Why not? Is it interesting and dynamic? Is the presentation logical and well structured? Did you get the presenter's ideas right? Were the ideas visually well represented? Can the audience derive a clear message from each slide? And do the restrictions of Pecha presentations fuel creativity or limit it? Analyze the video. Now that you have seen how a successful and effective presentation should look like, it is your turn. You should choose a topic, something that you are interested in, and you should create your own Pecha presentation. Think about all the things you have seen today in the last two videos. Think about the format of the presentation, about the steps that you should take to create your own presentation, and try to create an effective Pecha presentation. Also, you should practice it a lot because you will have to deliver it in front of your teacher. Good luck! After you finish your presentation, you should use this Pecha checklist to check whether you did all of these things. So your presentation should have 20 slides. Each slide moves automatically after 20 seconds. You have used pictures, drawings, icons. There is no or little text on your slides. Your story is engaging and dynamic, and you have practiced your presentation many times. Good luck with your presentation. This is the end of our today's lesson. Thank you for taking part. Goodbye.